Everybody, I'm just going to let you in on a little project I'm about to do. This is the cutest little secretary's desk, and you'll never believe it. I got it for $40. Here we go. Yeah, whole $40. It is solid wood, and check that out. It's got the cutest little drawers, and I thought I would do an old French countryside look on this. Now, of course, you're thinking, oh, you want to milk paint this. It's going to be a lot of trouble because we're dealing with a surface that is, I'll remove the dust, it is a super high gloss. This is a lacquer, no doubt, because it has chipped away in certain areas. Now, am I going to prep it by doing any kind of sanding? Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to go with all this current texture on there. All I need to do is give it a good clean. I'm going to be using the Fusion TSP alternative, and now again this is a no rinse TSP trisodium phosphate free degreaser and cleaner. So I'm going to clean it and then apply one coat of the Victorian lace. Now, why am I going to use the Fusion mineral paint on this shiny surface instead of just going right into the milk paint? Well, the milk paint, if you applied that onto this surface, it will just chip and flake right off. So, applying this first. Will I have to sand this super shiny surface prior to applying the milk, or prior to applying Fusion? No, but I do have to give it a good cleaning. Look at that dust. Ew, it's pretty gross. Anyhow, we're gonna give it a clean, apply the Victorian lace and the Fusion mineral paint. Then tomorrow, I'm going to apply the milk paint, and I'm going to do a bit of a texturized finish with the steel blue. And how am I going to get texture? I'm going to get it by simply not mixing as much water into the powder. And that's going to give me, a little bit of a porridge looking paint. And so I will apply that onto the dried Victorian lace. It will adhere, and it's going to give me that little bit of texture. And then we're going to decide whether or not we're going to distress and antique it then, or I might give it one more coat of a lighter color. Haven't quite decided on colors yet. But yeah, just wanted to go over what kind of prep you have to do for a high gloss lacquer. And aside from cleaning it, that's it. I'm going to apply the Fusion mineral paint. Now, if I come along with it and I'm applying it and it's looking like it's lacing, then we've got another issue, and that would be perhaps a fire retardant on there. And if that's the case, then I'll give it a little wipe down with the odorless mineral spirits, but we'll cross that bridge later if we have to. So just going to wash it, apply the Victorian lace, come back tomorrow, milk paint it with the texture, and yeah, we'll see. Want to go for the French country look, so may do another lighter color and then do a bit of distressing and antiquing. Anyhow, follow along. I'll be having little snippets in the stories, and if you have any questions, by all means let me know what they are, and we'll get to answering them pretty quick. Thanks for joining.